Hello everyone, I'm Roddy from the AOL CNC equipment company. We just finished the Futureprint Brazil 2025. And now this is my graphics engineer, Fabio. Would you like to say a quick hello to everyone?
Hey, hello everyone. My name is Fabio and I am engineer, and we are now working with AOL machines, great machine.
And here are some questions after the exhibitions and the training. So at the first, this year's exhibition is moving. So what kind of feedback are you getting from customers so far?
Yeah, we have a lot of searching for the cutting machines, right? And the customers who came to our booth, they all say that the machine is pretty good, it's fast and reliable, and we sell one. We sold one in the trade show. Perfect.
Yeah.
We will be able to install this machine the next week. And the searching for this machine, it was higher than I imagined, because it's a very good machine.
Thank you very much. Okay, so and the next question that do you find it convenient to use the software and to use, or it's difficult to understand out how to operate? Is difficult?
No, it's not difficult at all. It was very easy, and you can see everything in your computer monitor, and you can understand easily how to work with the machine. You know, it's a similar software as others, but without a lot of things. We don't need it at all. We don't need it. The software is made from this machine and is very easy to understand and to manage it with the software.
Oh, that's perfect. So if the software is easy to operate, so maybe for the users, it's a good news for them. And for the second questions, so what advantages do you think of our machines has?
Yeah, we think that it's a pretty robust machine. Attempts our necessities, and as the software, it's an easier machine to manage, to operate it, to maintain. But as I said, it's a very robust machine. I don't think we need a lot of maintenance in this machine. I don't think it. I don't think it. And we have the practical of the tools. It's very good. We have all the tools in our hands, and we can do whatever the customer wants to do with a cut machine.
Okay, so for the last questions, what advice would you give to those still considering buying the CNC cutter, like the price, qualities, and any others?
I think the price is the most important thing, you know. But the price needs to be linked with quality. Quality is what this kind of customers is looking for. And if I had quality with a good price, we have a sale. We always have a sale. And I think that AOL machine has these qualities. Okay,
thank you guys. So if you have any questions or want to buy a machine in Brazil or in the South American, you can connect with the graphic companies because it's our exclusive agents in the Brazil. So thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you very much.